I may have gone overboard. Hi y'all, I'm Okima. Today I'm sharing what I'm planting in my garden. I'm still learning what grows well in zone 8A, so I'm keeping it simple and choosing things that don't intimidate me. I picked 2 varieties of peas. I also picked beets and Swiss chard. I selected these because they are forgiving. Planting 3 types of onions. I have the gold onions, white onions, and red onions. I'm planting bell peppers because they're perennials. Originally, I was going to put them in my garden bed, but I think I'm going to either keep them in containers or grow bags. I'm planting tomatoes because they're a favorite in my house. I'm planting carrots because I want to be brave. My goal is to follow the 70-30 rule. So that's 70% native plants and 30% non-native plants. So these are my native plants. It's going to keep things balanced and helps the pollinators. In zone 8A, our last frost is sometime in March. Translation: don't get too excited early. I'm starting my seeds indoors and waiting for the weather to behave. This is what I'm hoping for. I created sketches of what I'm planting and where they're going. I bought way too many seeds, but I regret nothing. Next week, I will show you what I've already planted and what I plan to start.